Hello student, today's topic is types of system. System have classified in different ways. First is physical or abstract system, open or closed system, man-made information system, adaptive and non-adaptive system, permanent or temporary system, natural and manufactured system, deterministic and probabilistic system, social, human machine and machine system. First is the physical or abstract system. Physical systems are the tangible entity, means we can touch and feel them. Physical system may be static or dynamic. For the physical parts of the computer center are the offices, desks, chairs are the physical part. You can touch them. These systems are called the physical system. Physical part of the computer systems which are the static. Program computer is a dynamic system in which programs, data and application can change according to the user needs. This is the dynamic system. Physical systems are the tangibles or the material entity in the case of library, physical parts, books, desk, chair. They can be visible and the countable. These systems are called the physical system. Abstract systems are the non-physical entity or the conceptual. They may be formula, representation or model of a real system. The use of models make it easier for the analysts to visualize relationship in the system under the study. The objective is to point the significant element and the key interrelationship of a complex system. In the abstract system are the non-physical entity. It is not the physical entity. They may be formulas, representation of the model of a real system. The model makes it easier for the analyst to visualize relationship in the system. These are covered in the abstract system. In the physical systems are the touch and the feel them. The physical system may be static or dynamic. Static means office desks, they may be countable and the visible, and the dynamic system are the programs data, and the abstract system are the non-physical entity. They cover the formulas and the models. Next, open or the closed system. Open system must interact with the with his environments. It receive inputs and deliver output to the outside of the system. For example, information system which adapt to the changing environmental condition. Open system take the inputs and deliver output to the outside of the world. Closed system does not interact with the environment. It is isolated from the environmental influences. It completely closed system is rarely in reality. It permits interaction across its boundary. It receives input from and delivers output to the outside. An information system falls in this category since it must adapt to the changing demand of the user. In contrast, closed system is isolated from environmental influences. In reality, completely closed system is rare. Closed systems, on the other hand, are held to be isolated from their environment, and the open system is defined as a system in exchange of matter with its environment, presenting import or export, building up and breaking down of its material and the component. Open system is particularly timely in the light of present day business concern of with computer fraud, invasion of privacy, security controls and the ethics in computing. Next is man-made information system. Man-made information system is the foundation for the interface between the user and the analyst. It provides instruction, commands, feedback. It determines the nature of relationship among the decision maker. In fact, information system may be viewed as a decision center for the personal at all levels. It is an interconnected set of information resources to manage data for particular organization under direct management control. This system includes hardware, software, communication, data and application for producing information according to the need of an organization. Man-made information system is divided into the three parts. First is the formal information system. It is a base of flow of information in the form of memos, instruction from top level to the lower level of management. In the organization, top level is the manager and in the lower level of the clerk, peon. Informal information system. This is a employee based system which solves to day work related problems. In the day to day work related problem, day to day wages leveler information, it is informal information system. Computer based system, this system is directly depend on the computer for managing business application such as automatic library system, railway reservation system, banking system. It is directly dependent on the computer base of managing business application. Insurance policy, railway reservation system, banking system, airline reservation system. It is totally depend upon the computer based system. The information system. What is information system? Information system, it is a combination of hardware, software, infrastructure and trained personnel organized to facilitate planning, control, coordination and decision making in an organization. If, for example, if manager is told his her company's net profit decrease in the past month and he may use this information as a result to cut financial spending for the next month. This is the information is collected from the man and taking then decision. This is the man-made information system. In the man-made information system, for the collection of the information, use the hardware, software, communication, data and the application according to their need and according to their information. Next is adaptive and the non-adaptive. Adaptive system respond to the change in the environment in way to improve their performance and to survive. For example, human beings and animals, every time change changes uh, changes happen in the environment and they improve their performance and the survive. Non-adaptive system, in the system which does not respond to the environment, such as the machine does not respond to the environment and they may not improve and the changes in their system. Next is permanent and the temporary system. Permanent system persists for a long time. For example, business policies and the government policies, they may persist for the long time. Business policy and the government policy, they may decided for the long time. Temporary system is made for the specific time and after they may be demolished, such as the DJ system is set up for a program and it may be disassembled after the program. And the temporary system is particular time is decided, is specific time is they are decided and they use and after they may be demolished and they may be demolished. Next is natural and the manufactured system. Natural systems are created by the nature. For example, solar system, seasonal system, they may be created by the nature. Manufactured system is the man-made system such as rockets, dams, trains, aeroplane. These are they are created by the man-made, created by the man, and this is those systems are called as manufactured system and manufactured by the man. Next is deterministic and the probabilistic system. Deterministic system operates in a predictable manner and the interaction between the system component is known with their certainty. Two molecules of the hydrogen and the one molecules of the oxygen makes the water, and this is the combination between the components and make the one system. This is called a deterministic system. Next, a probabilistic system shows uncertain behavior. The exact output is not known. For example, weather forecasting, mail delivery. This is not a certain behavior. This is an uncertain behavior. This is called as the probabilistic system. Social and the human machine and the man machine system. Social system is made of people, for example, social clubs, societies. This is made for the people. This is called as the social system. In human machine system, both human and machines are involved to perform a particular task. For example, computer programming. In the computer programming, human and the machines are involved to perform a particular task. Machine system is where human interference is neglected. All the tasks are performed by the machine. For example, autonomous robot is performed by the every activity is performed by the robot. In this, human interference is neglected. Human is not interfere in their activity. This is machine system is totally performed by the machine. Is all the types of the systems. Thank you. Today close here the session.